To connect coaxial cable with devices, we need coaxial connector. The most common type of connector used today is the BNC or Bionic Concealment connector. This connector comes in three forms: the BNC connector, the BNC-T connector, and the BNC terminator. The BNC connector is used to connect the end of the cable to a device such as a TV set. The BNC-T connector is used in Ethernet networks to branch out to a connector to a computer or other device. The BNC terminator is used at the end of the cable to prevent the reflection of the signal. Another class of connectors largely used with coax cables are N, SMA, and F-type connectors. N-type connectors are waterproof RF connectors or radio frequency connectors, and they can carry microwave frequency signals. SMA or sub-miniature version A connectors are used in high-frequency microwave and Wi-Fi systems. F-type connector is used to connect to a cable modem on cable TV and cable internet. RG6 coax cables are normally terminated with F-type connectors.